हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है स्नेहाशीष पाड़ी। आपको इस वीडियो लेक्चर में स्वागत करता हूं। तो फिर हम इस वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे द रॉलेट एक्ट। रॉलेट एक्ट किसको बोलते हैं और what the rowlatt act is all about. If we discuss about the rowlatt act, then first most thing we should have to stick about in 1919. What happened in 1919? So from the above given question, it has been clearly mentioned here with additional information as well as the explanation. No one is providing, right? So I am providing, just enjoy the video clip. So let me make you more clear cut understanding about what the question is all about. The question is about, consider the following statement about the Rowlatt Act 1919. What's happened in the Rowlatt Act 1919? So about three questions which is given here, that it was part of British policy of the really moderate and isolated extremist. Okay, it is the right option, because whenever the act is passed by the British government, much more Indian citizen disobeyed. Even we have moderate as well as extremist in our modern history in the period of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, we can say that. So second number option is, every elected member of the central legislative opposed the passing of this act. Okay, it is also one of the appropriate answer. Then the third number answer is, or the question is, the Satyagraha Sabha found by the Mahatma Gandhi, which pledged to disobey the act first. Okay, which was the act, was which act has been first disobeyed by the leaders of extremists, which is 1919, which is Rowlatt Act. Okay, so from the above given question, all the answers or all the statements are the correct statements. Okay, do not get confused about that. If we discuss about the explanation part of this video, then I will definitely surely make you more understanding about what the statement 1 is about. The act allowed the political activities to be tried without juries, of even imprisoned without trial. It allowed arrest of Indian without warrant on the more suspicious nature. Such suspects would be treated in judicially without recourse of the legal help. This act will isolate extremists and severely punish them. So the main motto of this is to evaluate, to take it out the Indian citizens from the administrative policies. In the clear cut manner it has been shown here. So the act has allowed many of the imprisoned persons not to include their hands in the policy government on the policy making. Thus the act is all about. So second number option is, all the elected members of the Empirical Legislative Council voted against that. Okay, so as per the rule, as per the act been passed by the British government, many extremist, we can say that the extremist leader, or we can say that the Empirical Legislative Council voted against that. Okay, were in minority and easily overruled by the official nominee. So legislature voted against the bill, but they were in minority. So you should also note that this act has been passed. Yes, because why? Because of what the reason? Because the number of legislative council as an Indian member are very less or in minority. That's the reason why it has been passed. Okay, so the last point is, Gandhi was also chosen by the Rowlatt Act. In the February 1919, he founded the Satyagraha Sabha, whose members took a pledge to disobey the act and thus to court arrest and imprisonment. Okay, court arrest or imprisonment was being policed or were being pledged to disobey the act by Satyagraha Sabha. Okay, by whom? By Mahatma Gandhi in February 1919. Okay, you should also have to note that. Okay, I think that you have understood the lecture of Rowlatt Act. Thank you.